Hey guys, we're looking here at Google Quiz. This is slope number 3. Determine the slope of the line shown in the graph. So here we have a graph. Instead of just naming the points, they've thrown them at you on a Cartesian plane, and we're being asked to calculate the slope of that particular line. The same principle applies. So we need a P1 and we need a P2. And so basically we have to read these off the graph. Now the only thing that's a little tricky here is we don't have a scale given to us. We're going to have to figure out that scale. So you can see that we had to go these spaces to get to 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to get to 20. So if I come over to my calculator and I go 20 divided by 4, that tells you we went up by 5s. So the x's, we went up by 5s. Now the y's, it's different. We're not going by 5s on the y, so pay attention to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. But in those 5 spaces, we've got to get to, let's say, negative 50 or positive 50. So 50 divided by those 5 spaces, you've got 10. So the y's are going up by 10s or down by 10s. So now we're ready to find the location of our points. This one's pretty easy to see. It's 40, 50. Make sure you label them properly. 40, 50. This one, however, we had to think a little bit. So we went backwards to the left 5 spaces, or a value of 5, 1 space with a value of 5. So negative 5 and then negative 10, 20, 30, 40. Negative 5, negative 40. Those are our 2 points. So now we can calculate with the slope formula. I'll call this one my x1, y1. I'll call this one my x2, y2. The order of those don't really matter. And a is equal to y2, negative 40, minus y1, minus 50, over x2, negative 5, minus positive 40. When I do that, I get negative 40 minus 50. So negative 40 minus 50 is negative 90, divided by negative 5 minus 40, which gives me negative 45. When you do that division, what you're going to get is 2. Right there.